Okay, I think I'm ready to go camping or overlanding. Just tried out this Smittybilt tent, never pulled it out. Took me a while to figure it out. But it works out well, or worked out well. So I get this Smittybilt tent. It's a little walk around here. They built this mount here from a tire carrier. And in my previous video, I built this table out of camp grill. I think it worked out well. So it folds out. And there's a pin here that holds it in place. Yeah. It's like on the pin system here. Put a hole in here so I can actually slide it out. Technically I can use it as a grill as well. I mean, I'm gonna put a pin here so I can stand this thing out. I did notch this so I can create an extended table. Pretty sturdy. Spare axle there. I do have the Dana 35 still, but I did put Chromally axles in the back. I'm only riding 33s. Yeah, Detroit Trutracs, 456 gears. This build it took me a couple years, on and off. I mean, the mechanical stuff took me about 6 months. I mean, hard labor. It's hard. Re-gearing's hard. While I was at it, I had 373s in it, but while I was at it, you know, I was in the process of replacing my open diffs to Trutracs, which is torsion limited slip. As you can see, I have the WaterPort in here as well for when my top goes down, my hard top. This sits flush in it. I don't plan on taking it out now unless I have to. Take it to the river or something and pump water. I did put a hole so I can have the hard top on and have water access to it still. Let's see if it works. It doesn't have pressure right now. It does have a pump right there. 33s, 12 and a half. All trained. We have KO2s. Got a Amazon special LED light. It works. Recently added steering gearbox shield because I did hit a rock at one time that busted my steering gearbox. It's a 4-inch lift, rough country. I know a lot of people don't like rough country, but I don't have issues with it. I think their quality has gotten way better over the years. We do have a warehouse up here where I live in Nevada. I do have a DIY disconnect with I think it's called linch pin, and put another one in here. And I bought this, I forget what it's called, but anyway, I drilled a hole there. That's where I hang it. Another linch pin in there. They put a shield on my diffs because I love my Trutracs. That shit wasn't cheap. I still have the drop transmission. I didn't get the chance to put in a SY kit yet, and a new drive shaft, but it doesn't vibrate. I mean, I've had issues one time in my old Jeep, my YJ, where the rear drive shaft actually slipped out. That sucked. I had to drive home using my front drive, but it did get me home. What's in here? Anyway, oh yeah, Garvin rack. I've been searching on the internet, Craigslist for a long time. And then finding one on Craigslist, got for I think $350. It had a little surface rust, sandblasted it, poured some phosphoric acid metal edge prep, and then well, rinsed it and then repainted it. I'm also rocking the Smittybilt rooftop tent. I wanted the Garvin rack specifically, not any other rack. So I can, well, it's because it's low profile, and it's supposed to, I called the manufacturer, Garvin Industries. They said the capacity is about 600 pounds static, about 300 pounds in motion. So that tent's about 100 pounds, so I got a lot of room. I do have the Harborfeight winch XR 12,000 pounds. Dude, I love Harborfeight, man. There's nothing wrong with it. I think there's a barricade extreme terrain bumper, not as beefy, but it works. Rock sliders from extreme terrain, I think barricade as well. Steel rims from Rough Country. I don't like alloy rims, nothing fancy. Gotta go with steels, man. It's not even that bad. It's like 50 bucks each, brand new. And they have a custom bumper. This one's beefy. And with a swing out, with the custom basket as well. This comes out if you have a bigger tire. This is 33s right now, so if you decide to go 35s, I can adjust it up and it should fit. Like I said earlier, spare axles, I'm going to change it to Chromally axles. Have the hitch in here. I do have a hitch mounted vise in there, just in case I do break an axle. I can change it or work on the Jeep easily, or yeah, a little easier. Harborfeight special again, LEDs, I think 21-inch spotlight. It helps a lot backing out in the dark. Keeps you from falling off the cliff. Also gives me lighting when I cook in here, or when I cook in here. I did add the roll bars. It was on sale as well from Extreme Terrain. It was their demo. It's the one that they show you do the install. Demo. It was all scratched up, but it's metal, man. It doesn't matter. CB radio, nothing special. One thing that's a big deal too. One of the first things I did is added a aftermarket AC system in here. It didn't have AC to begin with, but I ordered it from Jeep Air.